White picket fence and hay barrels. I'm in the country.
You are.
I'm living in Charlotte's Web. Hello. Welcome to our room. This is
Mariah.
And she's my new roommate. She's my first roommate. And so here is our room. This is my bed. This is hers with all her glorious decorations and ukulele charts. And then this is her plant, my plant, and her lamp, and her fridge. So really everything but the bed is mine. And so, but look at this. We have our own TV with cable, guys. And we also have our own bathroom that only the two of us get to use if you want to take a look. And our own shower. The only bad part is we have to provide our own toilet paper. Yes, get a good shot of that. But yeah, today is our first day at Life Pacific University, Virginia. We're super excited, and Mariah's just awesome. We're gonna have a great time together. Awesome. We're coming back to California together next year. Life Pacific University. Watch out, alright? Woo! Stay tuned for more. So, I'm gonna give you a little more detailed tour of our room. So we have the wardrobe that is mine, because my roommate let me have that, and then a nightstand. And then I realized, people, all I own is Life Pacific stuff. Yes, I need to fold that properly, but I'm tired. I had a whole 13-hour little trip thing, and I'm tired. And this, look how high Mariah's bed is to mine. So she has like these cool little,
like 8 inches.
like 8-inch bed. And then we have AC. We have our own thermometer stat. These are her ukuleles, and this is our view from outside. You see those picket? Well, you can't because this camera's blurry. But yeah, there's the Res Life getting ready. Her plants, Mariah's plants, her shoes. This is the fridge. But yeah. This is our hallway. No quads, people. And this is our common area. I believe it also has cable and a microwave and a fireplace.
Yeah. It's probably just like a meeting.
This is what the outside of our dorm room looks like. There's a fountain. This is that. This is the cafeteria. So this is so much bigger than life already. White picket fence and hay barrels. I'm in the country.
You are.
I'm living in Charlotte's Web. And that's our school entrance.
Alright.
Mariah invited her parents.
You guys are gonna have a blast. If you need anything, we'll see you in a month.
It's only 4 weeks away.
Autofocus, just not.
That's what it was.
Oh yeah. You'll see a lot of deer around here.
See
That's
so many.
for sure. That's not
Let's go. Look at them all look. Aww. Oh, there's a dark sheep. Oh yeah. That's alright. They're like, what are they? Wait for Justin. Maybe we should take a basket instead. Oh well, it's fine. Little boy.
We have to walk the big group or not?
No.
What is that?
Oranges. Where's this from? This is cute. Yo quiero.
Oh, I have that class.
These are your upperclassmen. Okay, these are the beautifully lovely people that will be helping you as you transition in college and as you figure your life out, as they figure their lives out. Okay, all they're gonna do is they don't know they're doing this. This was a surprise. Okay, this is the beauty of them, and they're wonderful. Okay.
Oh, it's so much nicer out here. Wow. Oh,
So I can't fix that.
Alright, you ready?
How much would it be to...
It never gets old.
I got my first camera, you guys, but I'm returning it because it doesn't have video autofocus. So disclaimer, that's why this video had tons of like blurriness. But yeah, I'm in Virginia. The people here are awesome. It's actually pretty not cold but kind of chilly out, and I was expecting it to be hot. So yeah, but it's such a huge campus. I saw sheep and white picket fences are right outside our window with hay barrels, you guys. This is not California. I'm in the country. And we also went to Walmart and there were so many Virginia Tech people. We saw a turkey and apparently that's the mascot there. But yeah, I'm super excited for what the Virginia campus has in store, and we'll see what Marina has what she's going to be up to in the California campus. But yeah, stay tuned.